Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by identifying the windows you need side by side. This ensures focus. First, select the primary app, then press Win plus left or Win plus right to anchor it. Once done, pick the secondary app and either drag it to the opposite edge or use Win plus opposite arrow. Make sure your display scaling and resolution are comfortable so snaps align predictably. This reduces overlapping and lets you work faster without rearranging repeatedly. Now refine the layout. Press Win plus up or down to move a snapped window into a quadrant or to restore it. You can click and drag the middle divider to fine-tune sizes. Small nudges change focus quickly. If you need 3 or 4 apps, invoke Snap Assist with Win plus Z, Windows 11, or drag to corners. This surfaces layout options. Also consider virtual desktops to separate tasks, snap there, switch contexts, and maintain a tidy workspace. Complete the process by checking that each snapped app has usable width. Make final tweaks by dragging or using keyboard shortcuts. Once satisfied, use Task View or Control plus Win plus left or right to jump between virtual desktops with preserved snaps. If snapping misbehaves, open Setting System Multitasking to enable snapping features. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart File Explorer or update your display drivers if snap.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.